Wait. Sir Savior, like 3 full moons in the cell. Tell me you are joking. Like, people are saying you disappeared, but jail, bro. See, how I wished it was a joke. Honestly, how I wished it was a joke. 90 days and 90 nights on a cool floor. Hey, bro, I didn't just disappear. Eh? I was erased completely. To be honest with you, I was erased completely. For what? Did you steal a phone? Or did you steal a satellite? Or did you even hack the bank? Me, hack. Hey. Oh boy, I did not hack anything. No. The problem is I allowed my anger to take the better part of me. It all started with a phone a woman brought for me to repair for her. And 15,000 naira. Like, God, wait. 15,000. Then 6 million. How does that kind of mathematics work? My brother, 4 months ago, I was just busy going through other people's phones that I was working on, you know. Then this very beautiful woman that was wearing very sweet perfume, like very expensive perfume. Then she came with a phone that was scattered. Yet. So she told me that her phone was faulty. I looked at it, it had a screen problem. I told her that this phone will cost her 15,000 naira to repair it. She said, okay, she gave me the phone. And we didn't price, like, she didn't price it. Do you understand? I sat down for like 3 hours. I was working on this phone. After I had repaired it, I gave it to her. I told her, Madam, see, your phone is ready. She looked at it and she was like, Savior, you are the best. Don't worry. Let me enter my car and I will do the transfer for you. And she never did. I said, no, okay, no problems now. Since she came with a car, I wasn't having anything to fear. This woman entered the car and boom, she disappeared. Just like that. My brother, from the way she zoomed off, I thought she had an emergency. Because I was like, okay, let me allow her now. Maybe later she'll bring my money or probably send the money, since I already know who her very good friend is. Then I waited for 1 hour. I did not see any call or even my money. I didn't see anybody bringing my 15,000. I waited for like 3 hours. I didn't see anything coming. I waited for like days, weeks. My money was not coming. I was like, I called this woman on the phone. The, the call went straight to voicemail. Do you understand? When I use another person's phone to try calling her, the moment she picks and she hears my voice, she will end the call. Bro, people are very wicked, though. And she just told your neighbor like that. The one that was paining me more was each time I look at my record book and I see that unpaid line. The thing they pepper me. You get the thing was like my blood would begin to boil. For weeks, this woman was owing me, and in fact, I felt like I was being fooled. I felt like this woman has come to my office and scammed me. Like she came to my office and scammed me, bro. That was how I was feeling at that point in time. Each time I see that lines, unpaid, unpaid debt, yeah. Each time I see it, it will look as if they bring out all the blood in me, put it inside a pot, place it on the fire, and light fire for it to start boiling. Bro, my mind was boiling, bro. Now, this is where I messed up. Mhm. So, I really messed up on this one. Like I told you, I allowed my anger to cloud my sense of reasoning. Do you know that at that time I was repairing this woman's phone? I was able to go through her gallery. I was trying to check if the screen I had already worked on was good. So I stumbled into her private videos, like videos she wouldn't want anyone to see. Bro, I took all those videos and sent it to my phone as a backup. But the unfortunate thing that I did, bro, Savior, please tell me you didn't. The unfortunate thing I did left me in the situation I am today. Bro, I wasn't thinking. Makachi, I wasn't thinking. I took all those videos, all those are private videos, and posted them on the internet. I posted all the videos on the internet. So it wasn't up to how many hours. The video has started hitting 100,000 views, 200,000 views. People were mocking the woman. And to me, I felt satisfied. Oh, more. Bro, in like exactly 2 days, there was a knock at my door. There in my shop, there was a knock at the door. I thought it was some people that came to repair their phone. Bro, it was police officers from the cybercrime unit. Omo, they witched me. They witched me and straight to the police station. Illegal. So you mean to tell me that in 48 hours, you transitioned from being a debt collector to criminal, like ex-convict? Ah, Bole. Even the judge self. Hey, bro. Judge Meremaro. The judge did not even care about the 15,000 naira debt that this woman was owing me. The judge did not think of that one. What the judge was saying is, you didn't seek justice. You decided to take laws into your hands. And as a result of that, I ended up damaging someone's life. So for that reason, I'm going to pay this woman 6 million naira in damages. Bro, 6 million naira. The worst of it all is that they said I will remain in custody. I will remain in custody until I finish paying that 6 million naira. Like no bail, no installment. That's why it looks as if for 3 months, nobody ever saw me. Bro, Arabalishu, bro. Boy, bro. My family had to sell the only plot of land we had. The only plot of land, which the only plot of land, and they didn't even sell it at a reasonable amount though. They sold it at a distress price just to get me out. Bro, for 3 months I've been in prison. And all the time I will always be remembering my mother. The only thing that will be coming to my head is your mother is crying over your little moment of anger. Hi. Bro, anger is a bastard, bro. This is so bad. So 15,000 naira turned into 6 million naira and they lost legacy. This one has made me speak in tongues, bro. Listen to me. Never break the law to settle a debt. The law doesn't care who started it. It cares more about who broke the rules. I lost my shop, my peace, and my family land over a small revenge. It's indeed a heavy lesson. Honestly, it's a very big lesson. What would you have done? Let's talk in the comments. Don't allow your anger cost you 6 million naira. And also do well to subscribe. We'll see you in our next video.